Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu or any other Linux. So let's get started. So here I am on the Visual Studio Code website. I'll provide the link to this in the description. So to install Visual Studio Code, I'll just scroll down a bit. So here we can see that there's a Debian and Ubuntu based distribution installation guide here. So I'll just go ahead and copy this command and open my terminal and just paste it in there. So now the packages has been added. So now I'll copy the second command and then paste it in there. Now it asks me for my password, so I'll type in my password. Okay, so the execution is complete. So now I'll copy the third command and then go to my terminal and paste it in. Then I'll go back to the Visual Studio page and then copy this last command and then paste it into my terminal. Now I'll scroll down a bit and then here we can see there are a few set of codes here. Now I'll copy this command, that is sudo apt install transport https, and then paste it on my terminal. I'll go back to the Visual Studio Code website and then copy these two commands, that is sudo apt-get update and sudo apt install code, and just copy it and go back to my terminal and just paste it in. Okay, so now the VS Code has been installed. Now let's go ahead and check if the installation is successful or not. So I'll go to my applications and search for VS Code. So here you can see Visual Studio Code appears. I'll click on it and here we can see that Visual Studio Code has been installed successfully. So this was all on how to install VS Code in Ubuntu. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.